Hello everyone. A lot of you are actually facing problems in figuring out the location of the client or getting in touch with the client if you're not able to check the location. So today in this video, we will be seeing how you can check the exact location of the client and how you can talk to the client if the location is unclear. First of all, you need to open your Urban Company partner application. If there is an update, make sure that you install the update for sure. Okay. Now, the if you're getting a pop-up like this, that means that you need to collect some money from the customer. If, for example, the customer has paid you the amount in cash, then you click on cash, and then you just and go back. If the customer has paid online, then you click on online and then go back. After you went back and you're on this page, on the home screen page, you will see 4 or 5 options below. There's new, ongoing, target, money, and menu. In order to check the bookings which you have for any particular day, you need to go to the ongoing tab, and then you will be able to see all the bookings. You can check all the bookings you have by clicking on all. If you want to check only the bookings which you have for today, you can go today. As you can see in this particular ID, there are no bookings for today. If you want to check the bookings you have for tomorrow, you click on tomorrow and you will get the bookings for tomorrow. Similarly, you can check all the bookings you have for this week and you will check the pending bookings. In case there are any pending bookings, that means that the time has already expired for the customer. And if you have already gone to the customer, all you need to do is click the booking and then start and end the job. If you did not go to the customer, then you should just reach out to your POC, Utkarsh or Karishma, and tell them that there is a booking which is on the application but you did not go to that. Now, if you want to check the exact location of the customer or talk to the customer, what you can do is click on contact if you want to talk to the customer. Alright, and if you click on contact, a chat window will open and you will be able to talk to the customer. For example, in this particular booking, the customer has actually sent a message to the cleaner, but the cleaner has not replied. You should ideally keep checking the chats and make sure that you reply to all the customers. Ideally, we have sent you some messages which you need to share with the customer before going to their house, and there is one message which you need to send to the customer after you've done with the service. Why we encourage you to send messages before the service and after the service is because most of the customers to whom we send these messages have a higher chance of converting, and as you know, if a customer converts, you get incentive. Now, if you want to check more details about the service, you can click on it. By clicking on the service, you will be able to see a lot of different options. You can see the booking time of the service, and you can also see the exact address under scheduler. You will be able to see the exact address over here of the customer. Now, if the address is not clear, then you can call the customer and talk to the customer about it uh, by clicking on contact customer and then clicking on this button. You can directly call the customer. Now, if you want the Google location of the customer to see where the customer exactly is, all you need to do is click on get directions and then automatically Google Maps will open. You should always have Google Maps installed in your phone. And then after opening this, you need to select the walking way. Okay, you need I'm sitting in the office, that is why it is showing such a long way, but since you will be in the area, it will show you a shorter way, and all you need to do is just click on the walking way and then start. Now, the reason why I'm asking you to select the walking way is because in Dubai, on all the walking roads, you can use your electric scooter. Now, if the walking way is showing 40 minutes or 30 minutes, by electric scooter it will not take you more than 10 to 15 minutes at max. So you just select the walking way and then take the electric scooter on the same way to reach the customer. And it is very important to make sure that you start and end the job. For example, this job is not started and ended, so I will do it. I will click on start job, and then I will click on end job. So the job is done. This was a free trial, so it was for 0 amount. So like this, it will automatically get finished, and then you won't have to worry about the booking.